From the respondents, they submitted that none of the grounds as enumerated above have been supported, which is in contravention with Section 36A of the Criminal Procedure Code. Indeed, Section 36A of the Criminal Procedure Code should be read together with Article 49 of the Constitution, and the court is left to determine, among other reasons, if the respondents are flight risk, whether they can interfere with the investigation and issues regarding their personal security. From the application, the applicant has only stated that they wish to conduct evaluation on property damage, which goods are not in the custody of the respondents. On the issue of whether tensions are high, that said issue has not been demonstrated before the court. On whether the respondents are in danger, the argument is also not supported. And finally, that they wish to conduct tape lifting and NTSA records of a vehicle. From the affidavit, it is clear that the said vehicle is in the custody of the police, who is the applicant herein. And on the issue of interference with the investigation, the nature of the interference has not been demonstrated. Surely the applicant cannot expect the court to allow an application that is not supported. However, to ensure the attendance of the respondents herein, the court issues the following orders: that the respondents are each released on a cash bill of 50,000 shillings or bond of 100,000 shillings with one surety. And in default, the respondents are to be detained at Meru Police Station for 7 days, mentioned before the plea court, duty court on 4th of September 2025. Copy of the ruling is ready. You may take it for your record. Also be uploaded by close of business today. Are we together?
Saa 5 nikapata maafisa wa polisi karibu 17 wamekuja pale lodging ambao mimi nalala, na walikuwa multi agencies. Kuna watu wa National Intelligence, kuna anti-narcotics, kulikuwa na watu ya DCI na pia watu anti-terror. So wakanipata kwa room, wakaniambia that niko under arrest, wamekuja kunishika. Na nikauliza wajitambulishe. So the head of that delegation was the DCI Isiolo. Akajiintroduce, akanionyesha kadi yake na nikamuuliza ninashikwa kwa sababu gani. Akaniambia watanieleza tukifika wapi, kule Isiolo. So wakasearch nyumba, wakabeba mzigo yangu, wakabeba simu zangu, wakabeba hata gari. Then tukapelekwa kule Nanyuki Police Station. Hata gari walipeleka huko, mzigo ikabebwa. Hapo tukachukuliwa vidole. Then tukaanza kusafiri wakituambia tunaelekea Isiolo. Tukiwa njiani tunaona wamechukua direction ya wapi? Ya Meru. Tukaletwa hapa Meru Police Station. Hapo tukaandikishwa sasa, tukaambiwa tuandike statement. Na bado zile charges that was preferred against us hatukuambiwa. So statement tu tuliandika, asubuhi ndo tukajipata wapi? Kotini. Hapo kotini ndo tumejipata ati counts ambaye tunastakiwa ni malicious damage ya ofisi ya County Assembly. Then hawajatufungulia mashtaka. Wakasema wanataka turudishwe kwa cell, wapatie muda wa siku 7 ndio uchunguzi ifanywe. Then wakili wetu wakatutetea pale, na koti, unajua koti is a neutral arbiter here. Wakaangalia pande zote mbili, waka-agree na wakili wetu that hakuna sababu hata moja tuwekwe ndani, yet uchunguzi wanaweza fanya hata tukiwa nje, tukapatia bond ya 50,000 bond na hatukuchajiwa. Wakaambia nini? Waendelee na uchunguzi yao. Sasa yale mimi nimeshangaa. Speaker vile wakili amesema is the head of the County Assembly. Mimi mwenyewe I'm the complainant. Mimi mwenyewe ndo nataka kujua, mimi ningeenda kuwauliza ni kina nani, ningepeleka complaint yangu kwa polisi. Lakini badala ya kushika wale culprits ambaye wameharibu county assembly, complainant, the custodian ya hiyo assembly ndio nastaki, ndio wananipeleka kotini. So hapa tuliangalia tukaona hii ni siasa tu, na yale sisi tunaomba vitengo vya usalama wafanye uchunguzi. Wenye wameharibu county assembly, they should be brought to book, because the same people ambaye wameharibu county assembly ndio walichoma ofisi ya county secretary, just because the former speaker was arrested for for other crimes. Former speaker ameshikwa kwa sababu ya crimes zingine, so wameachilia sasa kwa sababu former speaker ameshikwa, wameanza kuharibu county assembly na also ofisi ya county secretary. So sisi tunataka kuomba vitengo vya usalama wasitumiwe vibaya, wafuate sheria. Sisi, mimi kama speaker na clerk, we are the custodian of that, the assembly. Wacha sisi tulete, malalamishi yetu huko, wafanye uchunguzi yao, then wale watapatikana na hatia wapeleke wapi? Kotini.
Kesi ya political case, because kama kuna classic case ya political case ni hii kesi kwa ajili. Hakuna kwa nchi za Commonwealth countries mali speaker ameshikwa kwa kuharibu mali ya assembly. Hakuna kwa Commonwealth countries zote. So tumesema kwamba county assembly inakuanga na protection under the Powers and Privileges Act. Hakuna venye polisi anaweza ingia kwa county assembly kuchunguza chochote kabla or bila idhini ya speaker. The only person mwenye anafaa ku authorize polisi kuingia katika county assembly ni speaker mwenyewe in writing. Polisi hawezi ingia. So tunauliza, hawa polisi nani aliwaita? Who is the complainant? The only complainant for the county assembly ni either speaker ama clerk wa county assembly. Hii kesi haina complainant. Tumeuliza complainant nani, wanasema ni county assembly. County assembly ni members. Kiongozi wa county assembly ni speaker. So mnashika speaker, mnashika complainant. So that is the issue in this case. It's
hapo sawa, hapo sawa, hapo sawa, hapo.
Well, let.
Flight risk has not been submitted. That evidence I try to bring is that in no charge sheet, no holding charge sheet, no holding charge sheet has been presented or been served on them, which is a constitutional requirement that you cannot just produce them in court for the mere show, then you release them, you arrest, you hold them for 7 days without knowledge of the offense they have committed. Your Honor, the High Court I'm sorry, Your Honor, that I have to use my mobile phone because I've just traveled from Nairobi and I've just been given this particular document and I have to quickly, because we came to have a plea taken. Your Honor, in the case of Michael Rotich versus Republic, 2016, EKLR, that is Miscellaneous Criminal Application 304 of 2016.
Not been tried. The second one? Sorry,
Nasema
yes.
Mimi pia members hapa nisikue maombi yangu.
In the precincts, the speaker has not refused to invite the police to the precincts of the assembly.
Presented before you within the 24-hour period, as has been done today, that they are to be informed of the reasons for them being arrested. I believe, as per this application,
25 DCI Isiolo versus Abdullahi, Jaldesa, Hassan Bonaya, Kotobo, and Abdi Koropu.
Wapi Abdullahi afuatwe na Hassan, afuatwe na Kotobo. Kwanza hapa akuwe Abdullahi.
with their daily life at liberty will in one way or the other interfere with the works of the investigative agencies or undermine the quality of investigations being conducted by the investigative agencies. It is therefore, Your Honor, as my senior noted, that we are seeking or we are objecting to this application entirely for reasons that it has no bearing in law. The sections quoted cannot enable the prayers sought by the state. That is the first one. 2, the state has been unable to demonstrate that the 4 persons that they have or are seeking to hold in custody are in any way, or there is any need for them to be held by the state. And finally, Your Honor, as has been very, very indicated on the submissions of the senior Your Honor,
and brought to Meru police station and detained at Meru police station since the whole of yesterday in Isiolo County, in Isiolo town. It was very volatile, Your Honor, and there was a lot of disturbance, demonstrations. The county secretariat also was burned down. So there was a lot of turmoil in that